Donald Trump gets sentenced in New York. Welcome to Law and Society. Please subscribe. Let's talk about this. It was for symbolic justice that Donald Trump was sentenced in New York. Unconditional discharge. That was what the judge sentenced Donald Trump to, which means he doesn't have to spend any time, he doesn't have any punishment or fines. Judge could have fined him but didn't. And it's the color of justice. It is the symbol of justice. A symbolic reality where Donald Trump is going to be a convicted felon forever, unless he appeals this, which he plans to do, and possibly take it all the way up to the Supreme Court of the United States after exhausting all the appeals in the state courts. And I still don't think that Donald Trump is going to win on the merits and that the Supreme Court would overturn the conviction. But still, our justice system, our rule of law, by and large, failed to hold Donald Trump accountable for his various crimes against the United States. New York was able to hold Donald Trump accountable and was able to give him that symbolic sentence of guilty, of being a convicted felon. And that's what we have to be happy with. Because, in the United States, you get the best justice system that money can buy. And Donald Trump had enough money to tie up the legal proceedings and to keep on filing motions and motions and motions. And our government on the federal level did not grasp that or did not put importance on that, or maybe they were glad that Donald Trump was delaying because at the end of the day they wouldn't have had to fully prosecute a president or former president of the United States. I don't know. I don't care. The point is he does not get punishment for his crime, for his crimes, the 34 criminal convictions, but it remains in the books that he is a convicted felon. And to that extent, the United States is going to see its very first convicted felon president of the United States, and that's going to be Donald Trump. We have this small modicum of justice here, just a little color of it, and that's what the general public is just going to be happy with. They're just going to have to deal with. That's what we have to deal with, because none of us would be treated the way that Donald Trump was treated. But in a way, it is the electorate speaking and saying, no, we are giving Donald Trump another chance, despite his crimes, despite his hatred for groups, despite his lies. That's what the American people decided. That's what independent voters decided when they decided not to show up for Kamala Harris. And that's why we have to live with this symbolic conviction for a man who should have been convicted of so many other crimes against our country and us. So we got our scraps, people. We should be happy, right?